What's going on, traders? It's Tyler here. Today we're going to be talking about WKHS and the stock ticker. This stock has a 51 million share float, a little above our 30 million optimum, but that's okay. We still look for any volatile opportunity, right? So today we're going to be talking about the 15-minute chart. There was some positive news. Let's go ahead and read this. Pence boosts hopes in Lordstown workhorse stock with comments. You can see that he did mention that to reporters that the company secured financing to buy an idled auto plant in Lordstown to build electric trucks. So that is some pretty good news. That's probably most likely why we did see this run up here in after hours yesterday up to 547 before pulling back, and then at market open we instantly ran up from $4.65 up to $5.37 before pulling back. I do want to mention that these lighter shaded areas are after hours and pre-market hours, and these darker shaded hours are normal market hours. So like I was saying, we did run up at market open from 462 to about 537, and then we ranged within 537 to 490 and stayed in there the rest of the day. We can see that 537 is a pretty strong resistance here. It did get rejected twice, one during market hours and one in after hours here, but we did stay above the VWAP and the moving average, so that does give us a bullish outlook. This means mainly that since we're above the VWAP, most buyers are above water for the time being, and the moving average is showing that we're still averaging higher. So let's go ahead and talk the technicals really quick. Let's draw our support and resistance. We got our resistance up here at 537. We got our support. I probably put this at about $5.02, but we could just say $5. Let's zoom in a little bit. Now we do need a median here. We're going to go ahead and put the median at 520. Now we can see much more clear that we are sitting right on the median here, and it's pretty much undecided at $5.22. So what I'm going to be looking for tomorrow is a bullish play. What I want to see when I wake up, I'm going to be checking the charts. I want to see that bullish momentum to return, and I want to see us break above this 537 zone. I'm going to have an alert at 537, so I know exactly when this happens. Very easy. So if it does break above 537, I'll know exactly because I'll be alerted. That way I don't have to check the chart all the time. Next thing I look for is a retest off that 537. I wait to see us come back. I don't just hop into the trade even if it keeps going up, because that doesn't give us second confirmation. It doesn't give us a setup. It's not a good idea just to hop into a trade just because of FOMO. You always want to see a setup, and then you want to see it stabilize. You want to see those bullish reversal candles. You want to see level 2 going off. You want to see big buys, no sellers. Once you see that, what I do personally is I have my order above that pullback point, wherever that is, the time. For visualization, we'll just put it here. So like I said, we want to see a break above 537. We want to see it come back down and retest, stabilize here, push higher. Then I'm going to have my order ready. That way when that momentum does kick in past that point, it'll push us up to this next resistance up here at 560. And I'll sell 3/4 of my position and wait to see what happens from there. So this is the bullish play that I will be looking for tomorrow. Since we are sitting above the median, this is the best bullish play to look for. Definitely watch that $5.37 level. That will be crucial tomorrow. Now, I know most of you are not shorting, and I know most of you don't plan to short it, but we're going to talk about it anyway so you know what's going on in a person who is shorting's head. Now, I do short sometimes, but this stock I won't be shorting. I'll be looking for this bullish play, but we're still going to talk about it because you need to learn both sides of the market to give you the best opportunities at all times. So what I would watch out for, or if you're shorting, whatever the case may be, it doesn't matter. what we want to watch for, because this could also potentially happen, is we want to watch a break below this $5 level right here. Reason being is we're sitting on the median right now, so we don't want to structure this within the side of the median. What we'll do is we'll have this as the main level to watch, $5.01, $5.02. Just watch for the break below that level, have an alert set here. And when that does happen, this VWAP is going to move over us. We will be below the VWAP at this time. So the next thing that is going to happen most likely is we're going to see some sort of recovery attempt. And we want to watch to see if we can break back above the VWAP and this $5 level here. If we can't, if we do get rejected off this previous support here and it acts as resistance, then since we're below the VWAP especially, that will put most buyers underwater. So you definitely want to watch out for the bearish momentum pushing us lower at that point. Because if we do get rejected here after breaking through, it's going to really want to push lower because people will panic. They'll see that we're below the VWAP, we're way below the moving average. There's no more support. And then most shorts will take an entry here. If I was shorting, this is where I would enter. And I'd ride it down to this next support down here at 465 about. So that's what I would look for tomorrow. Now, the main levels to watch are 537 and 502. 537 for the bullish play, 502 for the short play. Otherwise, I would just see us ranging in here for the time being inside the zone structure. So I hope this video helped you. If it did, please hit that like button right away. Subscribe, click the bell notification, share the video with your friends. I really appreciate it on StockTwits, Facebook, and Twitter. And everybody have a wonderful day.